Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike York. Today is Tuesday, October 30th. Just a couple items here, kind of the calm before the storm, suppose. We have jobs reports, if you recall, and tomorrow will be the big, starting those off. So tomorrow we'll have the ADP numbers on Wednesday, and then Thursday, of course, will be the weekly jobs claims, and then Friday, of course, will be the big one, the BLS job numbers being released. But today, however, we got the, Case-Shiller Home Price Index, and the previous reporting back in July, it was at 6%, and it came in at 5.8. So this is kind of just showing the deceleration of the home appreciation levels on a year-over-year basis. Now, this doesn't mean home prices are going down. No, what this means is that home prices are still going up, but just at a decelerated fashion. And the media, of course, are going to be playing it that home prices are coming down, which is not the case. So you just have to, it would be if it was going down, it would be a negative territory on these. But obviously, these are in a positive territory. And then last but not least, we got the consumer confidence, and that keeps getting better and better. I mean, we had a 135.3 back in September, and forecast for October is supposed to go up to about 1 point to 136.4, and exceeded that by about 1.5 points at 137.9. So fantastic numbers here. People are feeling really good about where things are moving economy-wise and all. And that's obviously a very good sign here for the economy here. Stock market's up currently. The S&P was kind of going a little bit back and forth, but right now all markets are up. Yesterday was kind of a weird day. We were up a bit, like the Dow was up around 200, and it ended up being negative 100. So some wide fluctuations there. We do got more Q3 earnings coming out, but again, it's what's kind of really driving the markets today so far are more some comments, I guess, by President Trump. He was interviewing with Fox News yesterday, and I guess basically, they thought maybe he would be coming up with some type of conclusion with China. Maybe they might come to some type of a resolution with the tariff war, and thought that might help things out. So there's some optimism, I guess, felt from that interview. And so that's why the stock market is having a little bit more of a positive day in trading today. So let's see how it's affecting the bond market. Bond market's down a little bit. Here we tested the 25-day moving average again yesterday. We ended up closing downwards. Today, right now, we're down about 9 basis points. So in some cases, yes, we are pricing a little worse than a little bit for some lenders. And yields, again, right now we're testing the that floor, or used to be floor support, but now it's a ceiling resistance, this Fibonacci level at the 3.11 level. Right now we're about 3.10, and still trying to break above it. Right now it's been kind of holding the last couple of days. So that's a good sign for mortgage-backed securities, because if it breaks above that, that will only add more pressure on the mortgage-backed securities, and rates will continue to climb. But if that can hold, that will keep Treasuries yields lower and help out interest rates in the process. So right now interest rates are a little bit higher today. So that's pretty much wraps it up. We'll call a conclusion. But remember, tomorrow we'll have the ADP numbers, and then we got a few other data will be coming out as well. But that would be probably the main one we'll be looking at, as this is more of a jobs week type of week. If you guys want to get any updates on changes, anything that comes to market, you guys can always find me at Twitter, Mike Bjork, and I do post throughout the day. You guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching. I look forward to see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.